Hello, this is Elaine with Elaine's Creations, and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this card with the Artistically Inked bundle from the Expressions in Ink suite. This is the Artistically Inked bundle, which is part of the Expressions in Ink suite. The bundle has this beautiful stamp set that is distinctive and made to look like the alcohol ink technique. It has dies to cut out these images, as well as extra dies that make these beautiful leaves and this beautiful bouquet of flowers and leaves. It also includes the Expressions in Ink Designer Series paper with this gold foiling and gold leafing and the alcohol ink technique look. Just really, really beautiful paper. And the ephemera pack, which has a two-sided piece. One is white side and the other is gold. So you can have leaves that you can color any color on the white side, or you can use the gold side. And then there are also hexagons that you can use in the pack as well. And it also includes sequins, really pretty sequins. So I'm going to show you how I made this card. It's a fun flap card. And so I have started with a piece, and these are all my pieces here. And so this is a piece of 5 1/4 by 5 1/2, and this is scored at 4 1/4. Piece of polished pink, and then this is just 5 1/4 by 4. And I've cut 2 strips of 1 by 4 designer series paper of the polished pink with the veining in it to make it look like it's kind of ombre coming down. And I think that looks really pretty. So I'm going to add some adhesive to this one and then just add it to the basic white, and then kind of gives a fun look to the card to have this designer series paper on both sides, and then add the flap in the middle. So here's the cards. Okay. And then I have a little strip of 5 1/4 by 3/4 to put up here on the top. I'm just going to add one little strip up here. Now I'm going to do some stamping. So I've already stamped and cut out this extra flower right here. So I'm just going to add some adhesive right here for this flower. And I have my little piece from my ephemera pack that I'm going to add with a glue dot. And let's say right about here. That's pretty. Okay, so now for this piece, it is 4 by 4, and that's the polished pink piece. And then this piece is 3 3/4 by 3 1/4, and this is just going to come down here like this. And so we're going to stamp this one, and I'm going to grab a clean piece of scrap paper. use Polished Pink and Pear Pizzazz, and I've just inked them up, so they're gonna be pretty juicy. So I'm gonna clean my stamps real quick. So I'm gonna use this one and this one. Okay. Let's see here. Put that back over there. And I'm gonna have to do some stamping off, I think, because I'm gonna want a lighter tone. So I'm gonna bring this in. This is from another card that I did. You should watch the video, it's really good. And I'm gonna, let's see how dark this is. That's good. So I'm gonna stamp a flower here. Woo! That's nice and dark. A flower here. And we'll do happy birthday. Always good to have birthday cards. Right there, hopefully nice and straight. Good. Okay, so that's the Polished Pink. Now we'll do our Pear Pizzazz. So we'll do some down here. Woo! And here. This one's going to be nice and dark. Wow. It's actually stunning. Okay. So now we can add this to our piece right here. And then we're just going to run a piece of adhesive right along here, along the top. And we're going to line this up with the bottom center, right there. And just press down right here. And that creates the flap. And add a dimensional to this. This is a really simple, easy card, maybe 2 dimensionals. And we have our fun flap card here. So let's see, let's bring it out. So right about there. So pretty. And each one can be unique. You could do different colors. You could do the pale papaya as another color. So pretty. So I'm offering a free card class when you purchase this bundle. And it consists of supplies for these cards right here. You get 6 cards, 2 of each of these 3 designs. You just go to my website and use the current hostess code to purchase the bundle, and email me and let me know that you would like the Artistically Inked card kit, and I will send it out to you for free. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Make sure to check out all my other videos with the Artistically Inked bundle from the Expressions in Ink suite. Don't forget to give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.